Kylian Mbappe had a tough start at Real Madrid. He was missing penalties, struggling to beat defenders, and even failing to stay on side. Fans wondered if the club had signed the wrong player. But now, things have changed. Mbappe is back to his best and La Liga should be worried. Mbappe's move to Real Madrid was one of the biggest transfers ever. Since his early days at Monaco, people saw him as the next big star. He won the World Cup at just 18 years old and Real Madrid always wanted him. In 2021, Madrid tried to sign him, but PSG refused. The next year, he surprised everyone by staying in Paris. The deal gave him power at PSG, but some felt he had given up on his dream. Finally, he joined Real Madrid. Many believed he was heir to Cristiano Ronaldo, expecting him to lead the club to glory and win multiple Ballon d'Or awards. His first game was perfect. He scored and helped Madrid win a trophy. His arrival boosted Madrid's global brand and fans expected him to lead the club for years. However, his first few months were difficult. He missed easy chances, struggled to find his best position and was often caught offside. In El Clasico, Barcelona's defense embarrassed him. Critics questioned if he had waited too long to join Real Madrid. Mbappe's struggles were also mental. Reports said he was unhappy and distracted. Some argued he had only looked good in the French league and wasn't suited for La Liga. He even underperformed for France in the Euros. Doubts grew, but then everything changed. Carlo Ancelotti made tactical changes to help Mbappe. Instead of playing as a pure striker, Mbappe now had freedom to move wider. He could switch positions with Vinicius Jr. and Rodrigo, making Madrid's attack more unpredictable. His chemistry with teammates improved and Jude Bellingham provided him with perfect passes. Mbappe's mindset also changed. He looked more confident, took on defenders and scored crucial goals. He played well against Sevilla, scored twice against Las Palmas and even stood out in a loss to Barcelona. He also scored a hat-trick against Valladolid. His speed, dribbling and sharp finishing returned. The difference was clear. He was no longer struggling. He is dominating. Now, Mbappe is leading Real Madrid for the La Liga title. He is scoring goals, silencing critics and showing why he is one of the most feared forward in the football history. La Liga's defenders should be worried. The Mbappe we know, who scored a hat-trick in the World Cup final against Lionel Messi, is back. But what does this mean for Real Madrid and La Liga? First, it changes the balance of power in Spain. With Mbappe, Vinicius, Bellingham and Rodrigo, Madrid has an attacking force that can dominate for years. Barcelona, Atletico Madrid and other rivals would have to find a way to stop them. Second, it increases Madrid's chances in the Champions League. A fully fit and in-form Mbappe makes them favorite to win Europe's biggest prize. His pace and finishing ability are perfect for knockout football. Finally, Mbappe's presence boosts La Liga's global appeal. The league has struggled for star power since Messi and Ronaldo left. Their rivalry made La Liga the center of the football world. Their battles in El Clasico were legendary, drawing millions of viewers. Since their departure, La Liga has lacked a true global superstar. Now, with Mbappe at Madrid, more fans worldwide will tune in to watch. His speed, skill and goal scoring ability bring back some of that excitement. Many believed he was the chosen one to follow in Ronaldo's footsteps and dominate the league. While he may not replace Messi and Ronaldo, he is the league's biggest attraction today and could define a new era in Spanish football. This transformation is clear. Mbappe has gone from struggling to thriving. He has adapted, improved and now is showing why Real Madrid fought so hard to sign him. His journey is far from over, but one thing is certain: La Liga must fear the return of Kylian Mbappe.